Welcome to the Pointman Nuvia card printer tutorial guide. Follow the step-by-step instructions to set up and use your device. Visit www.pointman.co.kr and navigate to Support and Service, then Download and Firmware. From here, you can download the latest firmware and the download tool. Please connect the printer to your computer using a USB cable. Open the firmware download tool and click the Open Device button to connect the printer. Next, click the three dots icon and select the latest firmware file you downloaded. Finally, press the download button to begin the update. You can monitor the update progress on the printer's LCD screen. Once the update is complete, the device will restart automatically. On the LCD screen, you can check the model number, status, firmware version, and date. This concludes the Pointman tutorial. For more information, please visit our official website,